In this next section, I'm going to show how we can add a column and add a row to a worksheet or a workbook. Using this same sheet, I'm going to go on and I want to add a cost to the medication. Now, in order to do that, I actually want the cost to be in between column B and C. To do that, it's very simple. Since we're going to want it to be in between B and C, we're going to click the column that we want to move over, in this case C. I'm just going to want to click that and right click column C and just hit insert. This is going to move column C over to the right. It's now in column B, and here we can now add the cost and start throwing in numbers for our costs. So very simple to add a column to a sheet. If you didn't want that column there, you want to change your mind about it, you could either delete it, right click it and just select delete, or you can do a cut option where you can cut it. This is so that way you can move it over. Let's say we want to move this column in between A and B. We're going to select column B now, right click it, and we're going to do is insert cut cells. This is going to take it out of row C, transfer it over into, I meant to say column C. It's going to transfer it over into column B, and it's going to move column C. It's going to move what was in column B into column C now, which is the medication name. So now all we did was move it over. Same principle will work for inserting a row. So if we wanted to insert a row in between 12 and 13, we can do that. We can do right click it, select the row number, hit insert. You're going to have a blank line now, and we can just put fake med cost $5.15, fake med brand. We can just assign a number to it. And let's just say we want this to be located more towards the top in between rows 2 and 3. All we're going to do is we're going to click the row number, right click it, and we're going to do a cut, and we're going to go on and put it in between 2 and 3. So we're going to select row 3. What's currently in row 3 is going to be shifted down into row 4, and what's currently over here that we have selected is going to be replacing row 3. So we're going to want to do that over, right click it, and we're going to do insert cut cells. So now the fake med is in row 3, and what was in row 3 has now been pushed down to row 4. So very simple to insert a row or column and to move the data over. If you didn't want to move it over, but you just wanted to make a copy, it's the same principle, but you're going to use the copy option. Let's say row 15, I'm going to copy it. I want to put this information into row 2, while at the same time keeping this information down here. So I'm going to go on and select row 2, right click it, I'm going to do insert copied cells. The information will now be up here, and also the row that we had selected is still, the data is still there, but it has been pushed down into row 16. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.